Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring how to use pine needles, hair, and fur to enhance your compost and boost your garden's health naturally. Let's get started. Pine needles are a great addition to your compost. They break down slowly and add acidity, which can be beneficial for acid-loving plants like blueberries and azaleas. Use pine needles sparingly, as they can significantly lower the pH of your compost. Balance them with other materials to maintain an optimal pH level. Human hair and pet fur are high in nitrogen, an essential nutrient for compost. Although they decompose slowly, they provide a good source of nitrogen for your garden. Here's how to add these materials effectively. Add a thin layer of pine needles to your compost, balancing them with green materials like vegetable scraps and grass clippings. Distribute hair and fur evenly throughout the compost pile. Mix them well with other compost materials to aid decomposition. Regularly turn and mix your compost to ensure proper aeration and decomposition. Keep the compost moist but not waterlogged. The right moisture level helps microorganisms break down the materials efficiently. Compost made from pine needles, hair, and fur enriches the soil with essential nutrients, improves soil structure, and enhances moisture retention. Your plants will thrive with the added organic matter and better soil conditions. Composting with pine needles, hair, and fur is an easy and effective way to enhance your garden naturally. Give it a try and see the difference in your plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!